First, the top news headlines. Northeast students say they do not feel safe anymore at JNU. Festival of Imoinu celebrated with great fervor in Manipur. And stampede at Iran general's funeral leaves over 35 dead. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Security has been tightened in and around the campus of Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU, Delhi after last Sunday's violence that broke out inside the masked miscreants attacked students and teachers with iron rods and stakes besides damaging properties of the campus. During the incident, JNU Student Union President I.C. Gose was seriously injured and is currently undergoing treatment at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS. As per a report, police barricaded all the entrance of JNU, not allowing others or media persons to enter the campus during the daytime. Talking to our Delhi correspondent, Northeast students of JNU expressed that they don't feel safe anymore inside their varsity campus and appeal to the government to intervene and ensure safety of the students.
insecurity feel of targadi atai mapandale bisingiri kari hoigini aduna administration jeni administration bi so the police bi makai di yam thun action lakhana ningi hariba kalfuna irba miyo sing haribi gunda tawram di miyo sing atu matu thuna phagat pi aduga sadra singna jenu bi fi hakin da pi protest lang tawri bi si yasinaba prognaba ya prognaba su adi wakatsari habitare
between mapan to tara ajda yam ti point la hai adagi ai brahmaputra da lebi brahmaputra dagi ipa mayamsu nupi hostel protect tawdamne hai dana laga hing akoi sida yam thinga bo akoi mayam leire akoi da trauma amsu leire kok sida karam trauma no hai matam da akoi da akiba mi paiba attack ko torokadra numidang da mu police na mu re tawraga akoi da ahen ba kaino tawgadra hai akoi jo mi paina ba dum akiba mi khawi campus da hojik su hai campus se safe oire hai ro amarom da mayam kinaduna hojik
Meanwhile, Fringe Hindu group known as the Hindu Raksha Dal HRD has claimed responsibility for Sunday's violence in JNU. HRD leader Pinky Chaudhary publicly stated that the group could not tolerate what they described as JNU's anti-national activities and that the attackers were Hindu Raksha Dal workers, amid the report said. It is being said that the Delhi police is aware of Chaudhary's claim and his claim is being investigated. Reportedly, the Delhi police is using face recognition to identify the masked goons who went on the rampage at JNU on Sunday.
और वो जो है पाकिस्तान के पक्ष में नारे लगाते हैं और देश विरोधी गतिविधियां जो भी होती हैं वो जेएनयू में ये जो है स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं, ये चीज़ें हम लोगों को बर्दाश्त नहीं है। और हम लोग जो है हम चाहते हैं कि जिस देश में रह रहे हैं, जिस देश में खा रहे हैं, उसी देश की बात की जाए। दूसरे देश के पक्ष की बात करते हैं तो दूसरे देश में जाए ना, वहाँ जाके देखें वहाँ किस तरीके से शिक्षा प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। तो देश हित की ही बात करनी पड़ेगी। देश विरोधी गतिविधियां हम अपने देश में बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। हम भारत देश में रह रहे हैं, अपने भारत की बात करनी चाहिए, अपने देश की बात करनी चाहिए।
The Imoinu festival was celebrated with great fervor at different places of Manipur today. League of Callow Patriots LCP celebrated the 43rd Imoinu Festival 2020 at Wangkhening Thempur Kimapal, Imphal East, Poirai Ethibalup, a local club at Yumnam Laikai celebrated the Imoinu Ira Thorum at Yumnam Laikai Larimbi Lampak, Imphal West. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan joined the celebration at Wangkhailing Thempu Krimapal.
Masigi samajida koi yumbalon kaitharakpana horiba angangsingda piriba saiteng nishagi ipakta tawriba adegi thaksi kasi mangaiba masi punumaksi maroina horiba angangsingsi maral natte koi mama pha oibachingna yumbalon masi kai gibidagi ni haidana koina mapungwena akoi miyengsi thamjabani.
Lining Amadi Inat Yokhatpa Apunma Malayam Layam Kanglei Park and women vendors jointly celebrated Imoinu Festival at Khwairamban Bazaar, Imphal. Cultural performances and offering of vegetables, fruits, fish and rice to Imoinu, the goddess of wealth, marked the occasion.
Ima imoinusina koigi laigi kano oringai matamdagi akoida maisa haidi hit leidana masi koigi bibi ba haiba tare ana masi nongdon kano dagi masina pubiraga taibang mioi koida koina hingbada sangdaba yada mai heze koi yaudaba yade dana sigi matungi na imana sigumba maisa je koida bibi tuna thongba thakpa tambi tuna koida koigi taibang migi hingnanabagi sara sindamba masi imasina hodok piramba Singba Singasibu, Koina, Ningsanguna, Pantong Honaba Toromamni.
Quaimiamne Imoinu Iratponimit, Hairaga, Kanariba, Nimirasida, Equina, Nasigi, Imoinu Irat Toramasi, Pantok Seveni, Masi Leva Kunai Asigi, Chokatpa, Nuaibe Papa Chahonga Hongba, Ubira Mu Haidana, Equina Imada, Tony Zebagi, Toramaduni. Masi matang lakadoba sahi sing dasu leptuna pangthokani haibase aikoina khwai miyamgi mamamda thamjeri.
Ningombam Angokton Memorial Trust celebrated 11th Imoinu Ira Thongni at the Sogdongpung ground of Kongba Laisram Leka, Imphal East. As a part of the celebration, a competition of Pung performance was held.
Lamdambasigi social worker amabu pokpa mapai bungogi khurai bungo dugi mingda pangthokpani adusu chahi kyagi mamangdagi pangthokpana ngasi bo pangthui ngasi su hairiba pungi competition se loirba tungda aduguma thormadu aikhoi pangthok janaba sem chajari loinana makha tabada ikhoi masigi item silosil matungda pung solongumba sumangli rongumba ataisu tawre herga ira thonggi thormase losanjagani.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, ministers and other leaders extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Imoinu Puja. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, MFICL, K. Sarat Kumar also extended his greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion.
Manipuri Atina Taliba Duga Imoinu Magi Masamanai Singi Apamda Yai Pamang Pilunana Sigumba Tormusina Lapada Lining Lysoni Tormusina Lakumatamda Manipur de Ladiba Manipur Satargi Chief Minister Amadi Mahaki Rajas de Ladiba Raja Singh Punamaki Yai Pamangol Pino Bigalonana Inam Namsibu Tandu Letaba in the signal labor. A
stampede erupted today at a funeral procession for a top Iranian general, Qasem Soleimani, who was killed in a US airstrike last week, killing 35 people and injuring 48 others, a media report said. According to the report, the stampede took place in Kurban, the hometown of Revolutionary Guard General Qasem Soleimani, halfway during the procession. Many people were seen lying lifeless on a road, others shouting and trying to help them. Iranian state TV gave the casualty toll in its online report without saying where it obtained the information. As per media reports, Pir Hossein Kolivand, the head of Iran's emergency medical services, confirmed the stampede took place. A procession in Tehran yesterday drew over 1 million people in the Iranian capital, crowding both main thoroughfares and side streets in Tehran. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh extended greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Jelengrong community, on the occasion of Gangai 2020. Gangai is the biggest cultural and religious post-harvest festival of Jelengrong people. In his message, Biren said, "May the festival bring happiness and prosperity and spread a message of unity, love, peace and brotherhood amongst all communities in the state." Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, memory stone of late Mar leader Lala Wilin Award unveiled at Kalinagar Part 2 of Jiribam district.
Taste of Imphal. Speedifying for delivery. Download now.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achin ba thu bagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari ke asu bandan lawzari. Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road, opposite Nitainanda Temple, Natragana.
Lamjingba Finance, Uripok, Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizari ba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lawba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak save taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back after the break. A memorial stone of late Mar leader Lala Wilin Awo was unveiled today by Pastor Rochong Nung at Kalinagar Part 2 of Jiribam district in the presence of Tipaimu constituency MLA Chaltulin Amo, Manipur Food Industry Corporation Vice Chairman K. Suraj Kumar Singh and several other distinguished personalities from Manipur and Mizoram and representatives of various social organizations. Talking at the event, President of Mar National Union Bloc Jiribam, Benjamin Sakum, said that late Lala Wilin Awo was a pastor and a proud leader of Mar community. He added that the leader contributed a lot for the development and welfare of Mars. All Assam Students Union, ASU and Notice Students Organization jointly organized a press conference this afternoon at the Press Club of India, New Delhi. ASU advisor Samujal Bhattacharya, NESO General Secretary and MSU advisor Prakash Sinam, NESO Chairman Samuel B. Jair and others attended the press conference. The two student bodies announced that a writ petition has been filed in the Supreme Court challenging the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Samujal Bhattacharya said that CAA is against the secular spirit of Indian Constitution that distorts the social fabric. He said that the Apex Court will act on the protect the secularism and rule against this arbitrary act passed by the NDA government.
6 we have lost. and the Prime Minister, Home Minister, Chief Minister and other ministers, they are keeping mum. Can you believe it? We need help from the citizens of the country. Please save us. Save Assam and save Northeast. These type of incidents are going on because we are adopting non-violent movement. Purely non-violent. We are determined to carry the non-violent movement, but our people are killed by live bullets. Will the citizens of the country accept it? And Modi government, they are celebrating 150 years of Gandhism, Mahatma Gandhi. But Mahatma Gandhi's, this Gandhism in our heart, it is in the heart of the people of Assam and Northeast. So we are carrying the ethos of the Mahatma Gandhi.
On the other hand, talking to our Delhi correspondent, NESO chairman Samuel B. Jair said CAA is unconstitutional, communal, which discriminates people on religious lines. He also urged the mainland Indians to support NESO in the fight against CAA.
We also saying the same thing, that this act is unconstitutional, it's a communal act, and it differentiates a person on the basis of his or her religion. We agree on that, but at the same time, on the part of the Northeast, we have additional points that we wanted the people of the rest of India will support us, that is the illegal infiltration from Bangladesh.
Meanwhile, NESO General Secretary and All Manipur Students Union MSU advisor Prakash Sinam strongly condemned the Citizenship Amendment Act. He announced that NESO will launch a mass non-violent movement demanding the government to scrap CAA and implement inner line permit in all the northeast states of India. He also informed that a petition has been filed in the Supreme Court and the hearing will take place on 22nd of this month. NESO also announced a two-day black flag protest across the Northeast beginning tomorrow to show solidarity with the JNU students.
Peaceful discipline movement se koi masti escape to society sanction Supreme Court yes petition amane so file to coming 27 January legally so fight to protest nan bawlin discipline mass movement so 7 states koi
Meanwhile, the Northeast Students Organization NESO has condemned the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA 2019, describing it as draconian law. In a press release, NESO maintained that the CAA poses a grave threat to the identity and survival of ethnic communities of the Northeast region, since the region shares border with neighboring Bangladesh and that the rate of infiltration of illegal migrants into the region is very high. Through the release, NESO also questioned the government of India whether it cares more for the illegal migrants or the citizens. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam has urged the Manipur government and concerned minister to send the recommendation to National Council of Teacher Education NCTE for inclusion of Manipur State in the eligible list for setting up of Model Multidisciplinary College MMC. The alliance said that though the deadline for sending the recommendation was October 31st, 2019, Uttar Pradesh sent the recommendation after the deadline was expired. Talking to media today at Desam office located at Kwakatel, Imphal, Alliance President Salam Akash asserted that as per National Education Policy of 2019, there should be 4 years of integrated courses of BA B.Ed or BSc B.Ed in every college. Akash continued to become a teacher, it is mandatory to undergo B.Ed, M.Ed and that such courses are incorporated in the 4 integrated MMC which needs to be recommended by the state government. He said that Desam has submitted a memorandum to Education Minister T.S. Radhesyam and Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptullah is in this regard. The alliance leader appealed to the state government to dissolve the MMC as early as possible for the sake of students' future.
Teachers Education Program si 4 years ki integrated course natraga tongan B.Ed course M.Ed course yaudragadi yaroi masi compulsory oi hairi minina Manipuri macha singna hairiba course si loidragadi mapalam dagi B.Ed loiba M.Ed loiba mapalam gi mi kauraga ohenba tabni aduna madugumba yamna pamaroi daba Manipuri khunai na pamaroi daba adugum phibam ma लाकदोबो लेबदो मदुदगी कोई मणिपुर से कलौसी अदो हारिबा मॉडल मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी कॉलेज हांगनबगी 4 years integrated teachers education program si olo unanabagi India pumbagi honglibisida Manipur si yausi thengna masi athu matamda cabinet na khanabiraga honorable CM yauna khanabiraga masi thabiyu.
The 20th RIMS firing victim Memorial Day was observed today at the Memorial Square located near RIMS Gate, Lamphil Part, Imphal. The function was organized by RIMS Firing Victims Memorial Observation Committee. Rich floral tribute was paid at the photographs of the 9 victims who were killed on January 7, 1995 in an indiscriminate firing by CRPF. The 9 victims included 1 MBBS student of RIMS, 1 RIMS caretaker, 6 auto rickshaw drivers and a rickshaw puller. At the event, former medical superintendent of RIMS and Secretary of Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur State Branch, Dr. Y. Mohan, expressed shock over the 1995 incident. Mohan recalled that the firing occurred after the CRPF personnel were being attacked by some unknown people, leading to the indiscriminate firing by the CRPF, killing 9 innocent victims on the spot.
Provoke tawramiba karamba group kino ngasi bau claim tawgiti nongmai kapasu haite anuk nakla kapadu danger kasu oi hiti serpido aduga khoi saunarba khoi mehum da sai thilubde paithol ko me amna kapadami mapan sigi sai ni pu yang khai mamang dadi serpi gi mentality se moidu tawradi eta massacre tawba langjingi massacre RIMS ki massacre Hairangoi Tongi volleyball ground the Tauhiba. Haroksin Akoidam Soladi, Missam Captain Hatkani, Havigi mentality, a Tamdura labor donatawi, like Tirba Todok to Ningsing Navi Damukta, RIMS, Haringi victims singi committee in a sender say coding Pantopa Saboxida, of Tauram today, I see guests of honor Yao Pangabasi.
But Todok the Lake Hidrava. Koigi sini now mioi mapan ngarang handa 2009 da sok tuna leiba du masu koigi 2019 da leigidre koigi damukta juma khoi myam gi mafam da committee gi magai dagi amadi family gi magai dagi awaba du koi phongdok jari ta chengna committee asina chatha jari ba observation ase matung da su sigumba koigi human right violate toba aduga mioi bagi minungsi amta yawnana trial tawduna non actor sing na boigra state actor sing na boigra sigumba while bizar tawduna mibu maral Kaimta bizar tawdana hatpase yade haibase akoi Manipur people singda dagi akoi gi mioi ba jati na masi yaning de haiba du phongdok jaboina observation chi pangthok jabun.
Troops of 12th Assam Rifles seized 20 packages of brown sugar and WY tablets weighing around 390 grams at Khudeng Thabi checkpost along Imphal More Road yesterday from the possession of one Muhammad Aslam, aged 21, son of late Muhammad Nazir Khan of More Muslim Basti Ward number 5. The contraband items were found hidden inside pillows in a van which was coming from More side. The arrested has been handed over to More police station for further investigation according to a report. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Admission open. Board of Secondary Education Manipur na recognize Toraba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhay Imphal academic session 2021 gi mingchanabagi damak class 6 tagina 10 faubagi form thaba hauzare afaba satra leizade afaba satra puthokjabani akopa marol gi damak academy office ta contact tawbiyo.
KM Blooming Higher Secondary School की अनोब सेशन की एडमिशन हौजरे लाग्लिबा जनवरी तारीख 9 की क्लास हौजरगनी अमदी अनोब महिरोई सिंगी ओइना तांग 10 दा काउंसलिंग तौजरगनी टॉप ओइना स्कूल असिदा धर्म खुदिंगी लाइनिंग लाइसोन तौफमसु लेजरी इंग्लिश सिंगनी 19 दा पांथोखिबा कॉम्पिटिशन दा बेस्ट स्कूल निपालक कादुना मणिपुर की ख्वाइदगी फाबा स्कूल ओइरी पिजरीबा फैसिलिटी सिंगदी को एजुकेशनल स्कूल बोर्डिंग फैसिलिटी स्मार्ट क्लास फैसिलिटी वाईफाई कैंपस एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर ट्रेनिंग इको फ्रेंडली CCTV surveillance, Atal Tinkering Lab, Asina Chingbani. Akopa Moral Gidamak contact WU, KM Blooming High Secondary School, Kangabok, Thobal District. Contact number 700557684 Natraga 8787675496.
Smart Universal Academy Sekmaijin Kunalda Academic Session 2020-21 gi oina pre-nursery dagi class 9 phawbagi admission hawjare. Class 10 gi examination da chahi taruk thangna thangna chama da chama pass tawriba Manipur gi akhanaba school oibaga loinana international amadi national award kaya phangliba school ni. Rural standard ta world class education piriba school ni. Akaknaba Sydney hena kupa marol gi damak mobile number sing asida contact tawbiro. Smart Universal Academy, the school of the future Manipur.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
चलुने
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
ओ फौ पाम्बी थाबियो
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
उ पाम्बी थाबियो
Chahi chamagi plan di.
इचाबु अफब स्कूल दम हई तमहनबियो
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
लनाई कोचिंग तोबगी अवाब लेहंदबा स्कूल दुदा अदुम चांगना कोचिंग तोहनबा
Mama paga cha manana warak watembi ba.
जिम एरोबिक डांस फुटबॉल थांगता
Mamangda 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
ख्वाइदगी चौबा नानबा ख्वाइदगी फब स्कूल
Last pakhong. Kari school no.
स्लोपलैंड पब्लिक स्कूल खोंगजोम चुमबरा
Chumme. Yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School, Khongjom.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry, if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Welcome back. More than 100 trade unions of Manipur will be supporting the nationwide general strike called by the National Trade Unions on January 8. In a press release, the coordinating body of the trade unions, Manipur, said all trade unions of the state will support the general strike. Residents of Moirang have threatened to boycott local MLA Pukhrem Sarachandra if the Moirang-Khoiru inter-village road is not repaired within this month. Former Moirang MLA Mairembam Prithviraj Singh had funded in repairing some portion of the road, following which the locals call off a protest. A local Maira Paibi organization secretary N. Thabadevi hailed Prithviraj for his assistance. However, she criticized sitting MLA Sarachandra for allegedly keeping mum over the issue.
Shiraba akoigi ex MLA Prithvirajna ima singna sapa yadaba lambido ai ngamjaba khara mateng panga semgena hujik laidiba thariba nungasi Prithvirajna tharapani ado hujik sapa yana base mathangda amuk अखोना हाइजरीबदी हुजिक पालिबा एमएलए इबुंग सरचंद्रना पीडब्ल्यूडी दा कोई वर्क ऑर्डर थोकना हाइबा पोसे पका तोरकांदा कोइला थानी हाइबा पोस लेरे मदु अथुबो मतम दा सिगी मथाक्सिदा सेंबिरा कांदा अथुबो मतम हंदा जनवरी की था मनुंदा हाइबा पकासि लौबियु करिगुमा पकासि लौदबा तारगदी खोरु लेकाई की म्यामना माव बोयकॉट तौ
An annual gathering cum reception of new office bearers of North Imphal Development and Sporting Union (NIDSU) was held at Panthoibi Sanglen Luang Sangbam Makhalikai today. Newly elected president of Dr. Nongthombam Birendrajit said that the club will work for the welfare of the people.
Tam akoina pujagadaba sahi ahum sida club asigi sakwa tharong ai yam phajana mayamna ayaba mayamna suggestion pibirakpa guide tobirakpa awatpa knowledge pibiraga aina president ama moina disu club luang samambu achouba mai pakpa tungi yaifaba club haibado ama woinaba ai sinjage.
Militant group National Revolutionary Front Manipur (NRFM) celebrated its 8th Raising Day today at the outfit's central headquarters. The event was organized by NRFM Central Executive and was chaired by its chairman Malia Konthozam. In a press statement released by the outfit's Information and Publicity Secretary Sana Jawamete, the event was also attended by General Secretary Soraren Angomcha. The outfit's Chief of Army Staff and Defense Secretary Selung Jawamete were present at the celebration held at the military headquarters. Several units of the front, Kobru Unit, Kangla Unit, Siroi Unit, Loktak Unit also celebrated the Raising Day. A Delhi court on today issued death warrants against 4 convicts in the sensational 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case. A media report said they will be hanged to death on January 22nd at 7 a.m. The order pronounced by Additional Sessions Judge Satish Kumar Arora said. The Delhi court's order will restore women's faith in law, said Nirbhaya's mother. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JMM MLA Rabindranath Mahato has today unanimously elected as the Speaker of the Jharkhand Assembly. As per media reports, Chief Minister Hemant Soren proposed Mahato's name for the post, which was seconded by JMM MLA Champai Soren during the second of the 3-day session of the Assembly. All the newly elected MLAs in the 81-member House were administered oath by pro-term Speaker Stephen Marandi the previous day. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Manipuri players and officials of first all-style open martial arts championship held at the Vivekananda Stadium, Lamding of Assam from December 27 to 29 last were felicitated today at Nauremthong Samusang Uku Imphal. The function was organized by Manchuria Kung Fu International Imphal, Manipur.
Part of education ki masa amani hai ai tamjage maram de shalai na te yadram ni no gite mohoi da taksi kasi esi minung si esi sana bisai lakani adu laga su oja sing takbi re oja sing khila guide ka ai na hain janing class school da khana da na ba khana ra si school la hapsal e martial arts ni thang ta hape do moi masen thura ga di ko society da phata bam lai.
Australian Open organizers are monitoring the deteriorating air quality in Melbourne and said matches could be suspended if conditions become hazardous amid the bushfire crisis. As per media reports, hundreds of fires have killed at least 25 people and ravaged more than 8 million hectares of land across Australia over the last few months. With qualifying for the season's first Grand Slam starting from 14th of this month, tournament director Craig Tilley said officials can halt play if smoke poses a danger to players, health reports inform. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Notice students say they do not feel safe anymore at JNU. Festival of Imoinu celebrated with great fervor in Manipur. And stampede at Iran general's funeral leaves over 35 dead. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.